Hey guys. Um this girl, she's telling me my bestie is using me that she likes my boyfriend. But I'm talking to her and I already know the truth. So here she is. So I'm gonna show you the full conversation of me and her, and it's gonna continue it because she thinks Genevieve is using me. Girl, if you're watching this video, I know you're not using me. I know you love me. I love you too. You're like a sister to me. Don't worry, and our friendship will never be broken. No matter what people say, it won't be broken. It's gonna be stronger than ever. Best friends forever, girl, aka sisters forever. I love you so much. You are one of the best person I ever met on MSP. And I hope in the future we do meet in real because girl, I know everything. Nah, I don't know everything. I just want to say you're the most awesome person ever. Thank you so much, bestie, for being honest with me and being my loyal friend. You are so loyal to me, and I'm so glad I met you in MSP. But one day in real life, when I meet your best buddy, I giving you a hug. All right, let's start with the video. Okay. All right, let's start where we gonna. You don't believe me. All right, we're almost there. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh my. Okay, she was like, "Hey, hi. I need to tell you something about Genevieve, okay? She is with Jack, your boyfriend." Lies. My reaction, no. Yes. They both like each other. Lies. Don't believe her. Nope. It's true. Why do you think she always talk about your BF? Because she will always ask me if my BF is on, cause she knows how much I miss him, how much I love him, so she asks. Cause she has feelings for him. No, she doesn't. No. And I respond this no, I won't believe in and if she's my best friend. Cause I don't believe her actually, I really don't. Yeah, she is your best friend, but she likes your BF. Yeah, right. No, she don't. This is actually fake. If you see this, this is actually fake. I actually kind of pretend to believe her. No, not kind of. I actually did not believe her. I fake it. It was off the hook. Okay, that's your problem. I have proof that she does. Prove it. Okay, you can even ask Alex. He saw them. And here's the thing. Alex is locked out in MSP, so I said that. And she's like, oh, that's so sad. Right there, I knew she didn't know what to say. Yeah. I feel sad because you don't believe me. I am your friend. I do believe you. Fake. Faking though. But she doesn't know. No, you don't. Yes, I do. I am being a good friend and telling you, and you don't believe it. And then right somewhere right here, she's telling me the French speech. The heck, I know what to do. I do have friends in real life and the game, so don't give me the French. Don't say French speech, please. Friends are supposed to trust each other. Christ. I know. I do trust you. Oh, I don't. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Just stop messaging me. I believe you, friend. I am telling you because I know you get used a lot and Genevieve is using you. And stop recording me. Okay, she's not using me. And I like stop. I like stop recording. Genevieve just using you, and I like make another account, message her. You will see she is talking bad about you. Do it so you know I am not faking it. I have a backup. Yeah, use that. Do it so you can see I am saying the truth. Okay, not yet. But when you're making me cry soon, cause you don't believe me, do it. Do it. Friend. Okay. Oh, when nobody knows I'm slowly laughing. Guys, if someone tells you these lies about your own best friend, don't believe it. Cause then they will be trying to ruin your friendship right there. It's a good thing I'm doing this video because I want to teach people not to believe lies from other people. It's not worth it to break your own friendship. So if someone tells you these beautiful, ugly, dumb lies, don't believe them. Cause they are dumb to do that. If y'all know your friendship is stronger than that, just like me and Genevieve, our friendship it legit grows stronger. Stronger every fucking day. Every day. It grows stronger. And I'm happy about it. I'm glad that it does. Because I know I can trust her and she can trust me. So let's do this. I don't want to do it because Genevieve, I love my girl. She's awesome. She's my best friend for life. She's everything. Mm. What? What? He's what? What? Heartbeat. Hey cutie, I know you are way backwards, but she doesn't need to know. Excuse me? Does she know who she texted with? Oh. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh hell no! You telling me about all these stupid lies and now look who you're texting. mad. Don't get mad. Don't get mad.
What are you doing?
Exposing the liar.
Okay. Just be careful. Don't leave your password.
I won't.
Because my card is there.
I won't, Mom.
Not
Yep. Bye. And like, look who you're texting. I'm trying so hard not to curse, but you know, it's in my system, so because I got kids watching my videos, so I can curse. You lying ass chick. Girl, you better stay the fuck away from him. He's mine. He does. Sorry guys, I had to stop myself. Even though I wanted to. Liar! You just motherfucking text me that, and you want to spread out more lies? Exposed, exposed, huh? Exposed. You have been exposed. You've been lying to my face. You've been exposed, chica. You've been exposed, bitch. What are you guys think in the comment? Has she been exposed of a liar? Mm, mm, mm. How long is she gonna do this for? Okay. Hope you know that you can't stop what you gotta do. You're liar, mother, little bitch, little mother. Sorry, very much sorry. So yeah, she got exposed for